Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohit Biz from Fit India. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss why I don't take BCAA supplements, that is branched chain amino acids. Like 2-3 videos back, I uploaded a video on my supplement stack. I showed you guys what supplements I'm taking, and I got emails and comments from a lot of people, and they were saying that Mohit, why don't you take BCAAs? BCAAs are very important. They help you prevent muscle loss. They provide you with energy. And blah blah blah, all that bullshit that these companies write on the packages of this BCAA supplements. And I was like, you guys are not wrong. What you are saying is probably right, but it's sounding like you cannot build a decent physique without taking BCAA supplements. And that's the reason I decided to make this video, to make it clear why I don't take BCAA supplements, and I have attained this physique without taking BCAA supplements. And I'll tell you the reason for it. So there are total protein is made up of amino acids, all right, and there are total of 9 kinds of essential amino acids, and others are non-essential. Essential means important. What important in the sense that your body cannot produce them, and you need to get it from your diet and supplementation. And non-essential are which your body can produce by itself. So 9 kinds of essential amino acids. Out of these 9, 3 leucine, isoleucine and valine. These 3 collectively are known as branched chain amino acids. And if we talk about BCAA in general, they are very important. No doubt, they're very important if you want to build muscles, if you want to cut and prevent your muscle loss. They are very important. But BCAAs from supplements, I think you can build a decent physique without taking BCAA in the form of supplements. That's because whatever your source of protein is, if it's chicken, it's egg, it's milk, it's tofu, it's whey protein powder, you're getting enough of BCAAs from these sources, etc. There are other sources as well, vegetarian sources, etc. You're getting enough of BCAAs from these sources. For example, like in a whey protein, आप अपने whey protein tub में, if you see, उसमें लिखा होगा in 1 scoop it contains around 4-5 grams of branched chain amino acids. So if you're taking 2 scoops, you're getting 8 to 10 grams of branched chain amino acids from just your whey protein powder. And apart from that, you would be eating chicken, eggs, milk, tofu, etc. So you are getting BCAAs from them as well. So I think that you're getting enough of BCAAs from your diet, and you don't need it from your supplements. So that's the reason why I don't take branched chain amino acids supplements. But I don't think that it's a complete waste. Dekho, the thing is that if you are into competitive bodybuilding, all right, and like in that even 1 or 2% matters. So if you're into competitive bodybuilding, then you can take BCAA supplements. Like, it's fine. And apart from this, another thing that I want to discuss is that, like, if you're gaining, if you're trying to build muscles, if you're into your bulking phase, then you are in a calorie surplus diet. All right, you are in the phase of building muscles. You're not losing muscles or losing fat. You're building muscles. You are in a calorie surplus diet. So then if you're taking BCAAs, then I think it's a complete waste of your money. Like, I'm talking about a normal guy, all right, for whom like 2,000 rupees is important. I'm not talking about any rich dude. I'm a normal guy, and for me 2,000 rupees is a good amount of money. So I will not waste 2,000 rupees on a BCAA supplements when I'm bulking up. No need. But when you're cutting, when you're trying to lose fat, you are in a calorie surplus, calorie deficit diet, then in that case you might lose some muscle. If you're not taking a proper diet, you might lose some muscles. Even if you are taking a proper diet, then a BCAA supplement can come handy. But then also, I don't think it's a must. I have never used it. Even when I'm cutting, I've never used it. But if you want to use it when you're cutting, not when you're bulking. I don't think you need it when you're bulking. You can take it when you're cutting. And if you're a vegetarian, since the sources of protein are limited, so there might be a chance that you are not getting your BCAAs from your diet, so then you can take it. So I think I made my point clear. You can take BCAAs when you're cutting. Then also it's not necessary. And you can take BCAAs if you're a vegetarian. Then also it's not necessary. If you are trying to mix your protein sources, you can get enough of BCAAs from your vegetarian diet as well. So that's it. That's all I wanted to discuss. And I think I made my point clear. BCAA is not necessary, you know, these companies write on their packages that, you know, it will help you prevent muscle loss, you know, it will give you energy. It's technically it's right, but you know, they are exaggerating. They're trying to put it in your mind that you need it if you want to build muscles. You know, I have a decent physique and I have never used it. So I think that, and you know, I know many athletes who have never used the BCAA and they have awesome physique. You know, they are my physique goals. So that's why I would not recommend taking BCAAs to anyone, and only in 2 cases, which I've already told you. So that's it from this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, then please show your love by subscribing. Please do subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep lifting. Bye. See you. And more informational videos coming to this channel, To Fit India. Bye.